Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to jerseynickmoto. Thanks for watching. Today we are headed to my hometown of Bayonne, New Jersey for the Bayonne Elks bike blessing. I don't know how much of a turnout it's going to be there today because it's kind of a rainy day. I'm headed over there myself. My buddy Bobby, he had to work today. My other buddy was supposed to meet me here, but he wasn't feeling too good, and I know the rain keeps a lot of people away. I don't mind riding in the rain. Well, actually, not that I don't mind. I'm kind of used to it. When you travel by motorcycle a lot, you kind of have no choice but to get used to it. But the Bayonne Elks put this bike blessing on every year. I've done it quite a few times. I know a few of the members, so I figured I'd take a ride out there. Anybody that knows me knows that I'm not a religious person at all, but it's become more of a tradition and probably a little bit of a superstition. I've been doing it for so long, and I figure a little holy water on a bike at the beginning of riding season can't hurt. So we're going to roll on there today and see what's going on, get something to eat, take a look at a few bikes, whoever shows up. And it hasn't rained in about an hour. And the weather's not too bad. I got the rain gear and the saddlebags if I need it for the ride home. Yep, so welcome to Bayonne, New Jersey, where I grew up. Anybody gonna go here? They put this new traffic circle in, and all it does is confuse the hell out of people. I actually grew up right up the block here. Well, hell, I'm in no hurry. I'll show you the house. This thing's supposed to start at 12. It's a little after 12, but I don't think they do the actual blessing till around 2, so we can waste some time. Show you the old neighborhood. As you can see, this is like a little city. And man, when I moved to the suburbs a few years ago, it was kind of like culture shock. It was too quiet. But now I'm used to it. Now I don't think I could live here again. In fact, it's way too expensive to live here anyway. See, this is the old neighborhood. I spent 35 years of my life on this block. And I grew up right here in this white house, if you could see it. My father actually still owns it, rents it out. Over the years, I think I've lived on every floor of that house. Yeah, this town changed quite a bit over the years. Now they're starting to put up a lot of apartment buildings. I mean, we're not far from New York City here. We're about a 15-minute ride to the Holland Tunnel. And they're actually trying to give this town like that New York City vibe, like another borough of New York City. They're trying to attract all the younger people that work in the city, and they're raising all the rents, and the taxes are outrageous. And I guess they're trying to make it like a yuppie town, kind of like Hoboken. It's definitely not the Bayonne I grew up in, but whatever, nothing stays the same. Oh, and so since it's a rainy day, this popped into my head. For those of you guys and gals that ride in the rain, I wonder if this happens to you guys. Because this always happens to me. Hasn't happened today yet, but I really haven't stopped. So if I'm out riding in the rain, or it's supposed to rain that day, and like I'll stop for gas or stop and run in the store or something, a lot of, you know, perfect strangers come up to me, and all of a sudden everybody's a weatherman. Everybody feels the need to inform me that, hey, you know, it's going to rain today. Or the best is when you're out and it's raining already, and you'll like, somebody will come up to you when you're on a bike and they're like, hey, you know it's raining out. Yeah, dude. Yeah, thanks, man. I couldn't tell. I couldn't see that. I mean, I guess that's better than the people that, you know, I've had people straight up tell me, oh my, are you taking your bike out today? Dude, you're gonna die, it's gonna rain. So I don't know, it seems like people get weird when they see somebody riding in the rain. Yeah, just a random thought for today. Yeah, I don't miss riding in the city that much. That was it, guys. Bayonne Elks bike blessing. Actually a bigger turnout than I thought. It was a pretty good time. Got to see my buddy Vito. I know Vito for years. I used to work with him. I used to work for him at a pizzeria when I was like, I don't know, about 20 years old. A long time ago. It was good seeing him. He's a member of the Bayonne Elks. Also got to talk to a couple cool dudes from the Brotherhood MC, talking about long distance riding and traveling and how the miles and the journey is the vacation. It's not so much the destination and what you go see, it's the ride, and that's the vacation. A lot of people don't get that, even people that ride. Also, I was talking to this cool dude named Pat. I also gave him stickers, told him to check out the channel, talking about bullshit about GoPros and microphones and moto vloggers and all that shit. So man, it was a real good day all in all, despite the gloomy weather. Alright guys, as usual, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Shout out to all the people I got to talk to today and handed out stickers to. If you're watching, guys, thank you. I truly appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that like button. Leave me a comment. If you have not already, please hit that subscribe button. Helps the channel grow, and there's a lot more videos to come. I'll see you guys in the next video. Keep your head on a swivel out there. Later.